Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you're looking to sweeten up your life a little bit, then I want to show you the sugar in the raw. So these little sugar in the raw packets are awesome. They are a portable and convenient way to have your raw sugar with you if you prefer to use that for your coffee or whatever. So this is a raw unrefined sugar, so it has a little bit darker color and a slightly more molassesy flavor to it than a traditional white refined sugar, and it's super delicious. So I find you actually need less sugar, for me anyway, because it has a more robust flavor. So it's really delicious and maybe could help you cut down on sugar a little bit. I love the little packet size for a few reasons. One, it's portable, so you can have it with you at work or wherever. Also, if you're having guests and you want to have a variety of sweetener choices, this is a really nice way to have raw sugar as an option in these individual packets. So if you're looking for a portable and delicious way to sweeten your coffees, teas, whatever you need it for, then I would definitely check out the sugar in the raw. It is an awesome product, and that's my point of view.